Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. So I'm just going to do a little bit of in-store demo on our PV-20i. So this is our power bank from LawMate. I've had it going now almost since 9 o'clock and it's still chugging along with its full battery life. So that's fantastic news. I've set up now for motion detection, so everything you're seeing and hearing now is all through the LawMate PV-20, edited as raw as it can be. So this will give you a good example of what the device actually capable of and what you can expect from it. It's got a little bit narrower lens than what you saw on the Bluetooth speaker that LawMate do, and probably also on their DIY, so do bear that in mind. I think this one's like 67 degrees, whereas the other two are about 80 degrees, so it is a bit of a noticeable difference. But yeah, this is what you can expect from the PV-20. I hope you've enjoyed it. Keep on tuning in, we're going to have heaps more products coming through, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Thanks for joining us, guys. As always, don't hesitate to shoot us an email, support@thespystore.com.au, or give us a call if you have any questions or queries regarding any of our products.